Hello everyone, introduce my name is baihaqi rahma from class 1B computer engineering. This time I will tell you how to make the right black coffee. So okay, first prepare the ingredients. Here I use kopi kapal api, and I also provide sugar, spoon, glass, and water. Okay, let's start how to make it right. Okay, first we put 2 spoons of coffee into the electric stove. Then we put the water in the stir. And stir. Connect the electric and wait for it to boil. Okay, while waiting for the coffee to boil, we put the sugar in the glass. Here I put 1 tablespoon of sugar because I don't like it too sweet. After the coffee boils, we put in the cup where we put the sugar earlier. Okay, let's just put it in. And we stir it. We add little cold water so it doesn't go too hot. Okay, coffee is ready. Enjoy. Okay, that's all the way to make the right coffee for me, and we can enjoy coffee. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.